The Flutter Column widget arranges widgets vertically, one below another. Here, we create a column widget inside the body. It has 3 text widgets as its children. This is a simple example of the column widget. Now, let's study alignment. First, we will look at main axis alignment. In a column, the main axis is vertical, so main axis alignment controls vertical alignment. Now I select center, and the widgets move to the center. Next, I select Start. This is the default value. Then I select End, and all the widgets move to the bottom. There are other options as well, such as spaceBetween, spaceAround, and spaceEvenly. These options arrange the widgets based on their names. SpaceBetween places the first and last widgets at the edges, with equal space only between the widgets. SpaceAround adds equal space around each widget, so the gaps at the edges are smaller than the gaps between the widgets. SpaceEvenly adds exactly equal space before, between, and after all the widgets. Next, we are going to study cross-axis alignment. In a column, the cross-axis is horizontal, so cross-axis alignment controls the left and right alignment of the children. By default, cross-axis alignment is set to start. Now, to clearly understand the difference, I will change the style of the third text widget. I'll set its font size to 24 and make the font weight bold. Now I change the cross-axis alignment to center, and you can clearly see the alignment difference. Next, I set it to end, and the widgets move to the right side. Now let's check stretch. For this example, I will replace the column children with an icon and a text widget. When we set cross-axis alignment to stretch, the children take the full available width. These are the different examples of cross-axis alignment.